Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to change the default search engine in Mozilla Firefox browser. So whenever you do a search or perform a search in this URL bar or this in the Omni box, the Firefox by default use the Google search to display the results. Say suppose I search for browser how, it will display the results from the Google search engine. Now just in case if you want to change the default search engine from Google to something else like Bing or Yahoo, you can do that. Go to this 3 bar for more options, choose settings, and under settings switch to this search tab, and here you have this customization option that you can choose from, and here the default search engine is set to Google. Now if you want to set any other search engine, what you can do is you can just go and select that particular search engine. For example, I choose Bing, and then when I go back to a new tab and search for browser how again, it will open the result from the Bing search engine instead of Google. So in this way you can customize the search engine and change the search engine. There are other shortcut keys like search shortcuts where you can just enter and use the shortcut keys to open the search result from that particular website. For example, if I just use @DDG, which is nothing but DuckDuckGo, and enter browser how, it will show me the results from the DuckDuckGo instead of Bing or Google. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions.
Hey, let us know if you got any questions in the comment box below. Thank you. And please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Cheers until the next time.